What's up, guys? It's Osirus, and welcome to this series on ocenaudio. Ocenaudio is an audio editor, a free audio editor that is capable of lots of powerful things, and we're going to be taking a look at the features of ocenaudio in this series. So let's get a general idea of ocenaudio, how to get it running, and in the next videos, we'll be looking into most of the features and how to use ocenaudio as an audio editor and an external tool with your digital audio workstation. So yeah, let's just look through the ocenaudio web page. It's a cross-platform software. It works with Microsoft's OS X and Linux. You can just come over to the download page and download the right version for your operating system. So while that is downloading, let's look into some of the features stated on the website. Real-time preview of effects, cross-platform support, multi-selection, efficient editing of large files, and fully featured spectrogram. So we'll look into all of this in this series. So let's install ocenaudio. Just the same steps you take to install any other software, nothing special here. Let's open up ocenaudio. So while we are looking at ocenaudio over any other free audio editor, is that it's the best free software I've found that saves your audio file as the audio file itself. So it doesn't save it as a project file, as an ocenaudio project file, but it just saves it as the audio file, as the same audio file itself. And that is going to be very useful to us while working with other digital audio workstations. So that's ocenaudio. And yeah, in the next few videos, we'll be looking at different things in ocenaudio: the settings, importing and recording audio, basic audio manipulation and editing, timing and tuning, amplitude, balance and equalization, noise reduction and noise gate, using ocenaudio as a tool in your digital audio workstation, and saving and exporting. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking at in this series. And yeah, guys, so that's all for this first video. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. If you have any feedback, leave them in the comments. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.